Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the market for gold, also known as XAUUSD, and this would be a weekly forecast for the gold from 21 till 25th December. So let's begin. Here what we can particularly highlight in the market, we are currently on a 4 hourly chart, is a support trend line. Let me highlight that. This would be a particular support trend line. Let me make that in zoom. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. So we have drawn this particular support trend line. If we draw a particular resistance trend line too, we can highlight that the market is making an ascending channel for the gold. And this would be the particular resistance. Here we go. So again, we are bullish for the market for the gold. And we are again expecting an higher momentum entering in the market. Again, on the weekends, we are having decisions of giving stimulus packages. If any conclusion is reached of giving stimulus packages, so we can see an appreciation in the prices for the gold. More fundamental factors would be explained in the part 2 of the video. The link would be in the description, or it would be in the end card. So do watch that too. So now coming on to the gold, on a technical perspective, here we have drawn an ascending channel. What we can see that the market did took an support. Market did took an support on 13 November on this particular support zone. Then on 14 December on this particular support zone, thus making this a minor support zone. And coming on to the resistance here, market on 25th November did take in support. On 7th December till some around 9th December, we can see that the market was continuously experiencing a resistance on this particular area. Then again we can see that the market was heading towards this particular resistance area. However, we did see a sell off on Friday, from Thursday night till Friday, and we did see that the market did close on a negative note, some around 1880. Now on Monday opening, what I am expecting that if we did reach any conclusion, we can see a retest towards this particular support zone. Let me highlight that. We can see a retest towards this particular support zone drawn in red. This particular support zone, if any conclusion on stimulus packages is reached. Thus, if we did see a retest towards this particular support zone, according to me, that would be a great opportunity to go long from a technical perspective for the gold, as the support zone has been respected by the market at various times. Let me first highlight that, and our take profit can be placed some around 1921. So why I have highlighted this particular support zone, as due to the fact some around 18 December we did see that the market was taking a resistance on this particular area. Some around 23 November we did see the market did take a resistance. Then on some around 18 November and then some around 13 November again we did see that the market did take in support on this particular area of 1874. Thus, according to me, before making a bullish breakout upwards or a retest towards this particular resistance area, the market would surely retest this particular area of some around 1874 till some around 1876. Thus, According to me, on incoming week, we should wait for the market to retest towards this area, and that would provide us a great opportunity to go long on gold, with our take profits would be placed some around 1919. Our entry to the point would be placed some around 1874 till some around 1876, and our stop losses would be just placed below the support zone of this ascending channel, which is some around 1845 till 1840. So this trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.39. Now coming on to the bearish scenario, we can see a sell off in the market for the gold if no conclusion is drawn from the weekend meeting of the Fed and the parties for giving stimulus packages, and the date has been postponed on a working day, for example Tuesday or Wednesday. According to that, we can see the continuation of this particular sale off and a retest towards this particular support zone, which is in range of 1856. According to me, this would be a great opportunity to go long again, as the market would surely retest or bounce off after testing this particular area of some around 1858 till 1853, due to which our our prediction for going long on a retest of some around 1874, we have placed our stop loss for that particular long below this particular support zone. As I if we did see a retest towards this particular support zone, we will not hit our stop losses. Thus, if we did see the market did continue its sell off, and we can see that the Fed or the parties extended their dates of negotiation, then we can go for a long position again on a retest toward this particular support zone, which is in range of 1856. Thus we can go for a long position with our entry to the point would be some around 1856, with our take profit would be some around 1919, with the same take profit and was predicted in our previous trade. And our stop loss would be placed some around 1839. So this trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.3, 1 ratio 3.63. This again mentioning, we are only expecting bullish momentum into the coming week. However, we can see a short-term sale off in the market retesting this particular support zone, where the main cause for the sale off would be an extension of the date for the stimulus packages. So we wouldn't be taking any short position, only going long due to the current fundamentals, which would be explained in my next video. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.